welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare soft shell crab sandwiches with Pom Frittes, which are just potatoes like fries that are sliced very thin. What I'm doing right now is just scaling my mandolin to the size that I want my potato cuts to be. And I have 4 potatoes here, as you see, and I'm going to slice those with the mandolin. And then I'm going to go in with a knife and make fries. Be very careful if you use a mandolin. It's very easy to cut yourself, as I have various cuts on my hands through it. Now what I'm doing right now is just cutting the very end off the potato because I want kind of a square shape. You can leave the ends on if you like, if you don't mind the shape of the potato, kind of oval shape. But I want mine to be kind of square and even. So I have my potatoes soaking in some very cold water. It takes some of the starch off. And I'm drying these on a paper towel, or you can use a kitchen towel. You want to dry them completely. I'm going to put my kitchen towel to the side and line my baking pan here, a cookie sheet, with some parchment paper. I'm using a ajillo seasoning, which just means garlic in Spanish, but it's a season that's used for tapas, usually shrimp tapas or some kind of vegetable tapas, and you put a lot of olive oil in it. But I use this seasoning for everything, from seafood to vegetables to meats. So I put my fries in the oven on 375 and let them bake until they're golden and crispy, and give them a turn about every 10 to 15 minutes. Cooks for about 20-25 minutes. I'm grating garlic into my mayonnaise here, and I have Japanese mayonnaise that I like to use because it's really delicious. You can use whatever you want. You can use homemade mayonnaise, or you can just buy garlic mayonnaise. I'm adding salt and pepper, and I've added some lemon juice, so I'm making a lemon garlic mayonnaise that's spread for my sandwich. And I'm seasoning my crab with Old Bay seasoning, salt, and pepper. These crabs have already been cleaned. I got them from my wonderful seafood market that way. They've been cleaned, the lungs have been removed. Now right here I have some tempura seasoning. Tempura powder, tempura flour. And I'm adding an egg to that and some sparkling water. You can add beer if you like, or you can add flat water. You want to add very cold water. You want your ingredients in your tempura to be very cold. Cold egg and cold water. You don't always have to add an egg. I like an egg because I like my crust to be very light and fluffy. And that's also why I use sparkling water. The fries are out and the crab has been fried. They are very crispy and still tender and juicy on the inside. I'm putting my garlic lemon mayonnaise onto my brioche buns that have been toasted in the oven. And I'm adding some spinach, tomatoes, and sliced pickles. And there you have it. Soft shell crab sandwiches with Pom Frittes. I hope you'll try this recipe. It's very easy and quick to make and delicious. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and all the ingredients for my recipes are always listed below my video.